Hi, I'm David Wilton, and I want to talk to you about a decarb technology called Solshare and its use in social housing in communal buildings. So today, Wales and West, who pioneer in this in Wales, took us on a little tour in Whitchurch and in Penarth, along with colleagues from Bron who were interested in it as well. And so what is a Solshare? So one of the issues is if you've got a communal, like a block of flats or extra care scheme or something like that, you don't want to be putting individual solar panels, PV we call it, solar panels on a roof. Everyone will have their own allocation and then having their own inverters called and then their own meter and things like that and a battery. It's quite a complex process to do that on a communal system. And some flats might have better solar than others. So what the solution Wales and West are using is called Solshare. I think it's Australian technology. And the idea is you put a lot of panels on the roof, that'll generate communal electric, and it comes into a box, a clever piece of unit, that is then allocating the power around fairly to residents. So it can be set like everyone gets the same allocation every month, guaranteed, and then any spare gets then used by anyone else who needs it. Or it could be set that everyone gets allocated a certain amount in a 1-bed flat and a 2-bed flat might get more. You could even set it that some people who maybe got disabilities could get more power if they've got certain support needs and things like that. It can be set, it's very clever. In Wales and West case, they're very similar flats in Whitchurch and they're allocating it equally to everybody. So everyone benefits, and they're going to benefit to about £500 a year off their bills, which I think is great. It's also backed up by battery, so any of the surplus solar, where we were there today, the surplus solar is going into battery storage for then distributed out in the evenings then to people. So quite a nice piece of technology that allows that communal solar so that everyone can benefit. As I say, some flats may not be the right position for solar. Some people might be out during the day, so then they get more of the electric from the battery in the evening. So I think Solshare and these type of solutions are really quite clever. It allows everyone to benefit from a communal power generation, in this case solar PV. I think it's really exciting. It offers real potential for all these communal flats, communal schemes all across Wales, and allows everyone to benefit in a fair and equitable way. So I'm really impressed by what Wales and West are doing here, and I think we'll see a lot more of them across Wales. I hope you found this interesting. Diolch yn fawr.